Hey yo, this is Dash.
Yeah.
Hey yo, this is Dash, and I wanted to quickly come and update you guys on what's going on with my potatoes. Now, I am about to head out for work, and it is still early in the morning. It's only about 5:15 in the morning, and it's cool enough for me to be able to get this done. When I get home in the afternoon, it is unbearably hot. We've been having a little heat wave. It's been about 100 degrees almost every afternoon. But here are my potatoes, and I've never seen this before, but they're like vining out. And they're vining out on almost all four corners. But they're definitely growing. This is the guy that cuts my grass. It seems like he didn't want to get in there to that box of weeds there. But they're growing, that's for sure. I don't know, you guys tell me, what do you think? You think I should put another row up here and put some more dirt in here? Or leave well enough alone and see what happens? Alright, well, you guys help me out. Please let me know what you think. So I planted these potatoes, these are sweet potatoes, on Mother's Day 2018. And today is July 3rd, 2018. So it's been almost 2 months since they've been in there. And yeah, they're looking really good. All right, so hey, if you like what you saw, which was not much, but if you learned something, please leave me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. And if you are subscribed, make sure you have the notification bell turned on. Thank you very much, as always, for watching, and I'll see you next time.